In this video, you will see how to align text in WPS Office. It's very easy to align text in WPS Office. First, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and press A to select everything in the document. Now there are two options to align text. You can right click and then go to the paragraph option. Here you will see the option of alignment under the general. Just click on this empty box and you will see here left, center, right, justified, distributed. So if you want to left justify, you can select the left option here and then click on OK. So this will left justify. Similarly, you can select the option center to arrange the text at the center of the document, or justified. You can also align the text by using these options here under the home tab. So this is the align text left, then this is center, and this is align text right. So in this way you can align text in WPS Office. You can also select particular paragraph and align it differently if required, like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn WPS Office quickly. See you again in the next one.